Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today, in this episode of A Taste of Brazil, we are visiting a community center that is often organizing cultural, gastronomic, and musical events and fairs for the locals living nearby. Welcome to Casa Bosque and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, I am Maria and I will have a taste of Arabic cuisine today. Even though we are in Rio right now, Brazil has a large Arab community that immigrated here in the middle of the 20th century. As a result, Arabic cuisine has become very popular and has been given a Brazilian twist over the years. So, let's give it a try in a few seconds.
So the baked cheese stuffed kibe is already on the plate, while the chef serves the lentil rice, originally called Mujadara. Shortly after, she serves the tabule. It's a herb-packed salad from Lebanon and Syria, and it's traditionally made with bulgur, fresh mint, tomatoes, and cucumbers. To complete it all, a generous spoonful of hummus is served. Hummus is nothing more than a very creamy, sometimes spiced chickpea paste that dates back to ancient Egypt, but it became more famous in Middle Eastern cuisine.
Okay everyone, the dish just arrived. And in this dish, we have fried onions on top of lentil rice, hummus with lots of olive oil on top of it, kibe with cheese, and tabule salad, and a little slice of orange. Okay, so let's give it a try. This looks delicious and the smell is just amazing. I think so far my favorite thing in this dish are the fried onions. They are so crunchy and so tasty. I just love the combination of rice, lentils, and onions. And I still haven't tasted the kibe, but I will do it in a second. I think I'm leaving the best to the end. The tabule salad is really fresh and I can really taste the mint. I can also taste some tomatoes and it's really good. The hummus is so good too. I don't really know what the orange is for. Maybe some type of dessert. I can eat it at the end. I never tasted Arab food with orange, but it's really good. Really, really good. It's not only mozzarella cheese inside of the kibe, there's also cream cheese, which makes it so tasty. If you are cheese obsessed just like me, this kibe is just for you. Okay, guys, I will finish my dish now. I will finish lunch and I will come back to talk about my final considerations. Okay? I saved the orange to the end just to see if it would change something. The orange is a little bit sour. It's not too sweet, but it was an interesting combination, eating everything and then having the orange at the end. So, what do I think about the food I just tasted? It's simply amazing. I just love every bite of it, but I believe that my favorite part in this dish was the kibe filled with cheese and cream cheese. It was simply so different. I don't remember tasting any kibe like that. Once I tried pumpkin kibe, but it wasn't that fulfilling. It wasn't that nurturing. This food is so nourishing. It's so healthy. It's so fit. It really brings you back to the Middle East. I just love how Brazil is a mix of many different cultures and many different traditions. This food, I can tell, is up to the Arab tradition. And it won't disappoint you, it won't disappoint anyone. It's simply amazing. The orange at the end, I could go along without it, to be honest. But it was a very nice experience, and at the end, it kind of combined in a very pleasant and surprising way. I was talking about some people are in here, people that actually work here and people that actually come here and take care of the place. And they told me that many years ago, this community center used to be a farm. And many generations lived in here until it became a community center with fairs, handmade stuff. This place is very old and it was passed through generations, throughout generations. Until we are here today eating this amazing food, this very traditional dish. After people stopped living in these houses, and since it was no longer a farm, it became at first a communitary plantation. People would come here and plant vegetables, fruits, herbs, maybe. Then pandemic came. They were telling me that pandemic came, and when pandemic ended, they reopened the place with a new proposal for it, and it became a space for events. Sometimes they throw parties at here. Sometimes fairs happen, just like this one. But most of the times there is music. They set up a bar and they serve drinks and appetizers. That's it. It's a very interesting place. It's a place full of life, full of community, full of collective work. And at the end of the day, food's all about that. Food's all about sitting together in a big table and enjoying each other's presence.
Ele é bem rústico esse pão.
Nossa, parece maravilhoso.
Eu gosto, né? Eu sou suspeita. Ele é bom quentinho. Ele tá bem crocante. Ele tá meio duro.
Muito bom.
Ele é levinho, né?
É uma pastinha de atum?
É.
Obrigada. Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you liked this experience as much as I did. Good food, good stories, good people. It's always so pleasant to be here with you and showing you amazing new places. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up, leave a comment, tell me which food did you like the most, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss a thing. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.